Hi, I'm Amanda Fago. I'm an outside hitter and accounting major.
And I'm Abby O'Connor. I'm an environmental studies major, and I'm the libero.
So, we'll just go ahead and clear this up right now. I get this question all the time. What exactly is a libero?
Well, a libero is the player on the court that wears a different colored jersey, and I can go in and out of the court, or in and out of the back row for anybody I want. I don't count as a sub, and I cannot play the front row, so I can't contact the ball over the net or anything like that. Okay. Yeah. Well, now we talk about my position. What the heck do you do as an outside hitter? What is that?
That's the best position on the court, in my opinion. But
I disagree.
You get to play back row and front row most of the time, so you get the best of both worlds, and play on the outside, the left side of the court, and hit the ball, try to get a kill. Block. You get to do pretty much everything.
That's cool. That's cool. What's your favorite pregame ritual that our team does?
I really enjoy the pregame meal. That's pretty much my favorite part. And then we always get together before games, hold hands, think about the game, visualize everything.
Pass the squeeze around?
Yeah.
All the way around? Yeah, I like that. That's my favorite part.
I don't understand what that means.
Okay, well, we squeeze the person to our right, and it goes all the way around the circle, and then you'll squeeze the person to your left, and it goes all the way back around the circle, and then at the end we do a 1, 2, 3 EKU cheer. So.
Tell everybody about what happened our first home game when we were trying to get in our locker room to change jerseys.
Funny story.
You did it. It was
I
your
did
fault.
do it. It was my fault. I got a little too excited about the game, and I ran really fast back to the locker room. And our locker room has a really confusing code on it. There's like 9 buttons, and our code's like 7 of those buttons. So I got too excited, and I pushed the buttons way too fast and then in the wrong order. And when you do that, you have to wait a certain amount of time before you can redo it.
It got locked up.
But we kept doing it fast because we started freaking out, and then our locker room wouldn't even turn on. The code wouldn't turn on. We had to go find a janitor. It took us a good, 3.5 minutes to get into our locker room.
We only had 4 minutes to change, so it was pretty funny.
Yeah, that was entertaining.
I have another question for you.
Yeah.
Why did you choose to come to EKU and play volleyball?
Well.
Was it because of me?
Actually, I think you came here because of me. I committed first, remember? We played volleyball together since 3rd grade. So I've known her forever. But liked Coach Duncan, liked the program, close to home. What about you? What made you come here?
Really like the campus, really like the team. It's the best group of girls, like the coaches.
All right, well, we are definitely looking forward to our remaining games this season.
Yeah, we have a lot of games left, so we need as many people as we can get out in that gym and pack the gym so we can get that. Are you kidding me? I need a teleprompter or something. We need a lot of people in that court on the gym so we can get it going crazy. It's a really fun. Wait, say it again, and I'll hit it this time. I'm sorry. Go.
These guys are gonna hate us.
I know you guys. No, volleyball's never gonna get to do one of these again.
All right. So we're definitely looking up to our. We're definitely looking forward to the rest of our games this season.
Yeah, we have a lot of season left, so we need as many people as we can to get out and get that gym packed, to get it going crazy, so we can get a lot of excitement going.
Get us pumped for the rest of the game.
Our games are really fun. We have a band, we have free prizes, stuff like that, so come out and watch us play. I promise we'll give you a good show. And you can go to EKUsports.com, look up our schedule, and hope to see you guys out there.
Thanks for listening.